Quick and easy homemade pizza recipe. Craving a delicious homemade pizza? Look no further. This quick and easy homemade pizza recipe will guide you through creating a mouth-watering pizza with your favorite toppings, all from the comfort of your kitchen. 10 tips. 1. Prepare your dough ahead of time and let it rise for the perfect crust. 2. Brush olive oil on the dough to prevent it from becoming soggy. 3. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce to ensure even flavors. 4. Don't overload your pizza with toppings. A balanced amount is key. 5. Pre-cook any raw meats before adding them to the pizza. This prevents undercooked toppings. 6. Customize your pizza with your favorite cheeses, such as mozzarella, cheddar, or feta. 7. Fresh herbs like basil or oregano can enhance the flavor of your pizza. 8. Experiment with adding veggies like bell peppers, onions, or mushrooms for added freshness and taste. 9. For a crispy crust, bake the pizza at a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius, for a shorter duration. 10. Allow the pizza to cool slightly before slicing to avoid burning your mouth. Embrace your inner pizza chef and create a satisfying meal with this quick and easy homemade pizza recipe. From kneading the dough to choosing your favorite toppings, this recipe promises a slice of heaven that'll have everyone coming back for more.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Ms. Coffee's Brewed Content channel today.